What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Zari. We back at it again with another look. Today we just been doing the eyes because y'all know how my base goes. It's simple. Today we use the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation as well as the Huda Beauty. I think this is a Luminous Matte Foundation. I think. And we just mixed them together to get my perfect foundation shade. We focus on the eyes today using the Color Grain Vivid Pigments palette that has been discontinued because they have went out of business. But still just stick around and see what we come up with on today. But today, although this palette has been discontinued, we're going to use the Color Grain Vivid Pigments palette. We're going to do a sunset look. So we're going to take purple first. Okay, we're gonna put on some lashes, lip gloss. I just had to show y'all this eye look, so I just wanted to recreate the sunset. So let me come back when everything's done and outfit and everything, and then we'll do, you know, our little reveal. This look good. I'm gonna take my glasses off so y'all actually can see. Hold on, I'm gonna have to. This is the finished look, y'all. I had to take my glasses off so y'all can actually see, for one. And to my ring light on so you see the glare in my glasses. But this is what we came up with, y'all. I love this look. Real sunrise, sunset. You know what I'm saying? Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave a comment when you want to see another creative look like this, because I think I got a little bit more creative juices flowing through me. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.